Hey, Frank here for day 6 of 12 Days of MoGraph, and I've got a super quick After Effects shape layer tip for you today. So maybe you got an artwork like this and you want to be able to animate this square into a rectangle. All you do is come in here, go to the transform, unlock the scale, and all of a sudden you go like this. So this is definitely not the look that we're going for. We're distorting the artwork. So you're going to notice that there is a transform, and that transform is for the layer itself. If I take down under contents, you're going to notice that every group also has a transform. After Effects has a stacking order for the way that these effects are being calculated. And so you have a path, then you have a stroke, and then you have a transform. So if I take my stroke and I actually move it outside the group, basically it's stroking whatever is on top of this group. And so now if I scale this shape, I'm going to be able to do it without changing the stroke width. Check out Advanced Motion Methods from School of Motion, where you'll be able to put this tip into practice right away on your homework. And head to the site today and enter to win a free seat in Advanced Motion Methods.